In this video tutorial I talk about little lapel mic review and testing. So now I am not using any external mic, so now I am gonna using my mic. So now I just connect it to my phone. And hello, now I am using my external mic and connect it to my phone, and now you are listening to my external microphone voice. So I think you might feel the difference from my external mic. Before that I was using my phone microphone, so now I am using my external mic, a little mini lapel mic, and I think you will feel the difference. So if you want to buy this, I will put the description on my video link. If you want, you can buy from there. So hope you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any question, comment below. Thanks for watching.